Hello, my name is Ben Morrison. I'm a solutions architect over here at Trilio, and today I'm going to be demoing how to install TrilioVault for Kubernetes on a DigitalOcean cluster directly through the DigitalOcean marketplace. First off, in the marketplace here, I'm going to find my TrilioVault for Kubernetes operator, and here I can see a description of TrilioVault for Kubernetes, the software included in this install. We're installing version 2.5 today, and some instructions on how to get started after TrilioVault for Kubernetes has been deployed into my cluster. I'm now going to install the app, which will bring me to my DigitalOcean dashboard. I can then choose to create a new cluster, or I can select my TVK one-click demo install cluster, which I'll be using today. From here, I'll be directed to the TVK one-click demo install dashboard. And here at the bottom, I can see my install one-click apps. I can either search for TrilioVault for Kubernetes, or I can see down here on the recommended for me, TrilioVault for Kubernetes is already listed here, where I can go ahead and install. Now that this install has started, it'll take just a few minutes, and I'll be back once the install is complete. Okay, and now we're back. We can see that TrilioVault for Kubernetes operator has now been successfully installed. If I then select that operator, I can see again a description of TVK and also instructions on how to get started in accessing my UI. When this instance of TVK was installed through the marketplace, it automatically installs my license and sets up my UI for the management console. So here I'll just be doing a port forwarding to access that TVK UI. First, I will start my port forwarding command as instructed. And next, I will add in an entry into my etc host file. Now that that entry is complete, I can go back to my marketplace and select the TVK UI. And here you can see I already have access to the TVK UI through tvk.docs.com. I can now log in using my kubeconfig file. Once set up, I can configure other ways to log in to the TVK UI, including Google, GitHub, or LDAP, or many other OAuth options. Now that I know I have access to my TVK instance, I can go back and see that if I want to access this TVK UI through another method, such as node port or load balancer, I can follow the documentation here to get access to my UI through either load balancer or node port. This concludes our demo for how to install TVK on a DigitalOcean cluster through the DigitalOcean marketplace.